Plans were already afoot to replace her. Strong sentiments from the opposition People's National Party PNP following today's dramatic crossover to the JLP by Councillor for the Trafalgar Division Kari Douglas. In announcing her switch, the two-term councillor said enough is enough. TVJ's Giovanni Dennis has our story.
The singing was off-key. But what was on point was the way the JLP councillors taunted their PNP counterparts at the Kingston and St. Andrew Municipal Corporation meeting this morning. The reason? Two-term PNP councillor Kari Douglas signalled her sensational switch, joining the ruling Jamaica Labour Party.
Your Worship, I have 2 letters to inform both yourself and the CEO of the council of this intention.
On the JLP side, it triggered applause, smiles, cheers, and even the singing of the party song.
Remember Bustamante serve you well. Stand up Jamaica when you hear the bell.
In a statement, Councillor Douglas said,
"My former political party has for some time not been a space where creative ideas, especially the thoughts of young people, are encouraged. I have decided that enough is enough."
JLP councillors seized the opportunity to take a swipe at the PNP.
On this side, she'll be respected and appreciated, and we're happy to have her.
Telling countenances on the faces of the PNP councillors. Andrew Swaby is minority leader.
We have identified a PNP candidate from last year because she has not applied to run back for the PNP. And we intend to make sure that we retain the seat for the People's National Party.
Do you think that you will retain the seat for the people?
Oh, we will.
But if Mr. Swaby seemed bitter, Councillor for the Papine Division, Venetia Phillips, appeared to be happy.
It took quite a long time, honestly. I expected it in 2016, and when it never happened, I thought there might have been a change of heart.
Expectedly, Mayor of Kingston, the JLP's DELROY Williams, welcomed the news.
She has special skills that can be used as the majority side of the council, and we will quickly move to using those skills to the benefit of the people.
The crossing of the aisle was precipitated by ongoing tensions between the PNP hierarchy and Councillor Douglas. In late 2019, Chairman Fitz Jackson publicly condemned Councillor Douglas's bust-up at the Bustamante Hospital with a doctor. Unsurprisingly, he downplayed the significance of the switch.
That for us is a side event.
But in the division Councillor Douglas represents,
I love Kari to the earth, but I right have Kari like old Chuck. You sit down and river, I right her up.
I tell her we could vote for her from the get-go, she's a rejected ballot, she for go. You're still with my PNP-ship.
The switch by Kari Douglas now means the JLP's majority in the KSAMC is 22 to the PNP's 18. Giovanni Dennis, TVJ News.